Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to perform a forced restart on your iPad. This is useful if your iPad is unresponsive or frozen. First, you need to press and hold the power button and the home button at the same time. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now let go of the keys, and now your iPad will reboot. As you can see, our iPad is now ready to go again. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.